Prop firms explained how to make money trading with other people's capital. Hey traders! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the world of prop firms. If you've ever dreamed of trading with a large account but don't have the capital, this video is for you. We'll explore what prop firms are, how they work, and how you can potentially make money through them. Let's get started. Prop firms, short for proprietary trading firms, are companies that provide traders with capital to trade financial markets. Unlike traditional trading where you use your own money, prop firms allow you to trade with their funds. This means you can access larger trading accounts and potentially earn more significant profits. Most prop firms operate on a profit-sharing model. They give you a funded account to trade with, and if you make profits, you get to keep a percentage, usually between 50 to 80%. The firm keeps the rest. It's a win-win situation. You get to trade larger accounts, and the firm benefits from your trading skills. There are many prop firms out there, but some stand out from the crowd. Two of my personal favorites are Take Profit Trader and Tradeify. These firms offer competitive profit splits and user-friendly platforms that make it easier for traders to succeed. Choose the right firm. Research different prop firms and their offerings. Look at factors like account sizes, profit splits, and rules. Pass the evaluation. Most firms require you to pass a trading challenge to prove your skills. This usually involves hitting profit targets while adhering to risk management rules. Trade consistently. Once funded, focus on consistent profits rather than home runs. Remember, you're trading with someone else's money, so responsible risk management is crucial. Scale up. As you prove your consistency, many firms allow you to increase your account size, leading to larger profit potential. Learn and adapt. Use the firm's resources and community to improve your trading skills continuously. Pros: access to larger capital potential for bigger profits, no personal financial risk. Cons: strict rules to follow, pressure to perform, and you don't keep 100% of the profits. Prop firms offer an exciting opportunity for traders to scale up their potential earnings without risking their own capital. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, firms like Take Profit Trader and Tradeify provide platforms to showcase your skills and potentially make significant income. Remember, trading always carries risks, so approach prop firm challenges with a solid strategy and disciplined risk management.